If you're struggling to do your eyeshadow, this video is for you. First thing first, we are gonna prep and prime the lid. I'm using a corrector just to conceal any darkness, to unify so that my eyeshadow can stand out, the colors can pop out blended. Now this part is very important to achieve a nice blend. You want to go on the brow bone and use beige. Just pop it like so. It's gonna help you blend your shadow smoothly. And girl, you're just beginning. Start with a brown shadow. Work with the easiest colors. So we are gonna pack a little bit of color just right there. Okay, making that outer V, kind of V shape, and then we are going to blend it. I'm really intensifying. Now, if you notice, you will see that I didn't go on my inner corner to, put any shadow. I didn't put any shadow here yet. Let's start blending now. So the key to blend is to put your brush. It's a 50-50 rule, which means you're gonna put half of the brush on the shadow, half of the brush on your skin, just like so. And you can do like a type of windshield motion or circular motion. And sometimes I just dab it, pop, 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 pop. Really, you only need to worry about the crease, that part that I'm blending right here, and that's it. We are now taking this shimmery color and put it in the inner corners, just like so. And we're going to blend again a little bit. Oh my god, this is really pretty. I'm just going back and forth and just do that gesture right there in the center with my brown. And there you have it. It's zesty, basic